And we're live. It's me, Delphi, Cat Pawlished, and we are going to be showcasing Prism Polish tonight. Oh yes, indeed, I can't wait to show you guys all these beautiful Prism Polishes I have in front of you, in front of me. We are going to have some fun showing off these polishes. Waiting for this to pull up on my site. Just almost broke another nail. Oh my gosh, can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all could see that, but this bad boy is trying to break too. Nope. I remember why I don't go for this nail style as much anymore. It's because it's always constantly breaking my nails. So I'm gonna have to go back and flip out the style. Something about me having these the longer nails, they just don't react well with me. Never fails. We're gonna go into showing off this next video. Let's see. We're gonna go into it. Let's see. We're gonna get started. Let me see. Come on. Okay, come on. There we go. Hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday night. Are you guys ready for the holidays coming up? Are y'all excited? There we go. I want to make sure I got that in the group. And then I'm going to drop it on my site. Let's see. Boom. Alrighty. We're going to get started, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying y'all's Sunday night. I think tomorrow I have to go and get my nails refixed. It's going to drive me nuts. Because I don't want to lose any nails. Look at this. I'm losing my nails when... Okay, so my nails naturally beak. This is an old 80s look. If you guys are not familiar, some people have naturally beaked nails. That's a genetic. My mom's nails beak just like that. And usually when they stiletto, they keep my natural beak. But the bad thing about it is that they break easier. So I'm totally going to have to switch back to another shape. I'm probably going to go to coffin. I think I want to go to coffin. I think coffin's my next shape. I haven't done coffin in a long time, huh? I think it's time. See, that's a genetic thing. In the 80s, we were like all the rave. Like, this is exactly how people loved having their nails in the 80s. Like, they loved that curve. That was like the biggest thing. Everybody kind of not everybody likes them nowadays. I still technically kind of like it. It kills my the way I set up my nails, which is the only horrible part. So we're going to get started. I'm actually going to start with the Prism Polish's Prism-versary first. I'm going to do these a little out of the picture order. So we're going to get started with these. These are all available at color4nails.com. They're available right now. Use the code C4NBF2019 to save 25% off site-wide off of everything but the final sell items. So we're going to get started with our first colors. This trio is the... Let me show y'all that trio one more time. That trio is the Prism-versary trio. We're going to get started with that one first. First one up is Fill the Glass. Oh yes, we're going to fill the glass. Fill the Glass is a super holo, but not just another old silver super holo. This one is a cool tone and filled with turquoise and purple color shifting microflakes. So it's not your normal silver holo. Sure, we all know that super hollows absolutely come alive and look gorgeous sparkling rainbows on our fingers in bright sunlight, but they're not very exciting in the shade. This one's addition of micro flakies, the turquoise and purple shift give that color shifting sparkle even when you're not in the sun. This is definitely a winner, whatever the weather might be. And this one is Fill the Glass. Fill the glass. Very, very nice. Oh, thank you. I'm so close. Like, I'm counting down the days. I'm going to have surgery pretty soon, so I'll be feeling a lot better once that's all taken care of. We're going to go into our first coat. I got 3 days to do all my polish pickup and indie pickup stuff, so that's the good thing. Ooh, first coat in, definitely catching that beautiful holo popping up there. Really nice. We're going to go and put it over black. Go put it over black right here. Oh, yes. Absolutely gorgeous over black. Definitely catching all that holo. Definitely catching that beautiful micro flaky too. Really, really beautiful. That one is Fill the Glass. And you'll be filling your cart over at Color4Nails with that Black Friday code. They started their Black Friday already, so you guys can go fill your carts and check out well ahead of time. Get those carts going. You won't get a 25% off again for a while. I might start on Black Friday. On Black Friday, I might just pull out a bunch of videos if I can. I'm trying to collect all my information so I could do that. Really, really pretty. This one is Fill the Glass from Prism Polish. Go with our third and final coat. And that one is Fill the Glass from Prism Polish. Available at Color4Nails. Fill the glass. Really gorgeous. Our next one up we're going to have is going to be Here's to You. Here's to you. Fill the glass, 'cause the last few days have kicked my ass. So let's give them hell. Wish everybody well. Here's to us. It's a deep purple filled, grape purple filled with green to pink to purple to silver shifting multichrome shimmer. Oh, yes, indeedy. Here's to you, Fill the Glass, 'cause the last few days have kicked my ass. So let's give them hell, wish everybody well. Here's to us. Here's to you. How fun is that one? This is super grapey. Wait till y'all see this. Super grapey look right here. Really, really nice. Seeing that beautiful green and teal shimmer popping up right there. We're going to put it over black so you guys can see it again. Ooh, look at this over black. This is super wicked. Super wicked. That teal is popping out. That beautiful high green. That emeraldish green. That purple pops up at the very end. You see it? Very, very nice. Going over here into the second coat. Second coat in, definitely catching that beautiful shift again. Really nice. Going with that third and final coat. And this one is Here's to You. That's Here's to You. Really, really nice. Next up we have is going to be Here's to Us. Here's to us. Here's to love. All the times that we messed up. Oh, yes, indeedy. In a similar vein to last year's trip to the light prismatic, Here's to Us is a lilac, green, blue, and gold shifting, sparkly, ethereal multichrome. This polish may look like a topper, but don't let that fool you. It's fully opaque in about 2 to 3 coats when fully dry. This polish is made to stand alone and to stand out. Use as a full mani for some wow factor, or use as quick nail art addition to an existing mani. And this one is Here's to Us. Here's to Us. Oh, thank you, Rebecca. Feel free to thumbs up the video if you're loving the video. We're going to be doing a giveaway in this video as well. We'll be giving away $10 to go spend at Color4Nails. One lucky winner will win $10 to go spend at Color4Nails. First coat in, definitely seen all of that shimmer. Really nice. We'll go over here. Put it over black. Ooh, look at that. Look at that shimmer. Oh, that is really nice. Super gorgeous. Beautiful shimmer popping up there. We're going to go over here and we're going to build it into the second coat. Going into second coat here. Second coat in, definitely building into a beautiful color. Go with our third and final coat here of Here's to Us. These are all going to be available at color4nails.com right now. Take advantage of that Black Friday deal starting now. We're doing a pre-Black Friday deal going on till December 2nd. Get 25% off everything site-wide minus the final sale discounted stuff. And that's Here's to Us. Here's to Us. Here's to Us. Once it's fully dry, it's going to be more opaque. Now we're going to go into our next polishes. And our next polishes are going to be the Welcome to My Nightmare collection. Our first one from the Welcome to My Nightmare collection is Welcome to My Nightmare. It's a thermal. Welcome to my nightmare. I think you're gonna like it. I think you're gonna feel like you belong. Welcome to my nightmare is a black and purple to green thermal reactive polish that changes color with your body temperature. Filled with color shifting shimmer and flakies, this thermal is great for cooler weather as you get to see your nails change as the temperature around you also changes. This one's welcome to my nightmare. Go over here, put it on our first finger, there we go. Oh yes. First coat in, we're definitely seeing those flakies pop in. Nice flake popping up there too. We're going to go and put it over black so you guys can see it over black as well. Oh, over black. Wait till y'all see this. Look at that over black. Look at those flakies changing in front of us. That is really pretty right there from Prism. We're going to go into our second coat of Prism's Polish. This is Welcome to My Nightmare. Really nice second coat. Really nice build into it. I'm going to go to that third and final coat. Really gorgeous right there. That one is Welcome to My Nightmare. Welcome to My Nightmare. We'll be seeing it transition a little bit later. And that one is Welcome to My Nightmare from Prism Polish. Available at Color4Nails. Next up we have is going to be a spark in the dark. Just a little spark in the dark. Don't matter what you say, no matter what you do, as long as it's me and you, we got a spark in the dark. Spark in the Dark is a fun, hot pink glow-in-the-dark topper polish with sprinklings of tiny hollow sparkles. For maximum effect, exposed to UV light before plunging into the darkness. Wear this polish over a white cream will also help it glow, and it looks super pretty too. Please note that this polish is slightly textured due to the glow-in-the-dark particles, which is easily smoothed out with a coat of the glazed top coat. This is designed to be used as a topper polish and will take many coats to be opaque. So we'll be showing it as a topper as well, but I'm going to put it on my nail so you guys can see it this way. So I want you to see that it is a pinky color. Really nice pinky color. You can see all the little flecks popping up there. Really nice. We're going to put it over black so you guys can see it even more. Are y'all live out there or y'all just quiet? Ooh, look at that hollow sparks right there. You can see the hollow sparks twinkling right there. You could see the the graininess coming up with the glow-in-the-dark polish. You can see that right there. That's normal. You just use some top coat and it'll go away. We're going to go and put it over pink So you guys can see it over pink too. Oh, yes. I was following along with the website. Oh, you're painting nails? Oh, yay. Oh no, Chris R. I'm not too sure what's going on because they are trying to get everything going for that. So we are going to build this up just a little bit more to show you. I wonder if it might be something on your cookies, Chris. Ooh, look at that. Build up really nice. And that one is Spark in the Dark. Spark in the Dark. Oh, yes. That's really nice. Spark in the Dark. That's a glow in the dark polish. Next up we're going to have is I'll Bite Your Face Off. I'll bite your face off. She pushed me down on a burning bed. Thought I was in heaven, but instead she turned her head and she softly said, I'll bite your face off. I'll Bite Your Face Off is a sheer maroon burgundy jelly base filled with blue to green shifting sparkly UP sibling pigment. It's a wonderful autumn color and great for a bloody Halloween mani. There we go. Go over here. Go right there. Into our first coat. Go the first coat in. Well, the good news, if you could see the text, hopefully if you see the text, then you'll know what polishes, you're going for. First coat in, definitely seeing that beautiful twinkling. Very nice berried burgundy color. Go over here. I'm going to build it up on black. Oh, over black. Look at this. Definitely seeing that sister unicorn pea color right there. Yeah, I know, Chris. I'm so sorry. I'm not too sure what's going on there. But in case, I just don't want you to miss out on anything that I'm showing because I'd hate for you to miss out on anything. We're going to go into the second coat here of I'll Bite Your Face Off. Ooh, look at that. Hi, Tika. Really gorgeous shimmer popping up there. Very nice vampy shade. We're going to go to that third and final coat. The build in this is really nice. I really like this color. Look at this. At first coat, I was like, eh. 3 coats in, boom. That is on fire. And this one is Prism Polish. I'll Bite Your Face Off. Available at color4nails.com. Make sure you take, take advantage of the 25% off of all on site wide at color4nails.com using the code C4NBF2019. Available till December 2nd. Next up we have is I Love the Dead. I love the dead. I love the dead before they rise. No farewells, no goodbyes. I Love the Dead is a lovely gray base filled with purple, pink, and blue shifting multichrome shimmer. It's a new work favorite neutral with a twist or a great base for spooky nail art. Oh yes. Since I Love the Dead. I like this one. It's super ghostly. Kind of spooky. We're going to go over here, go into this next color. I'm not too sure how I stained my nail, too. Whoa, this one is a really great formula. I totally grabbed a little bit more than I expected. Ooh, look at that. Really nice shimmer that we're catching right there. Really pretty. Very pretty. We're going to put it over black. Show y'all what that looks like. This one's really nice. Put it over black so you guys can see it this way. Very nice creamy butter texture right here. Y'all see all that buttery goodness from it? Ooh, look at that. Beautiful shimmer popping up. That is really nice. Go over here. And we're going to build it up again. It is a really creamy formula, guys. Like super creamy. Look at this. Oh yeah. Look at that. I'm not even going into 3 coats. That's done. The shimmer in this gives it almost a speckled look. Gives it a really cool vibe. I'm going to try to get really close in because I want you guys to see that speckled look. Dang it. I totally nicked this polish. Dang it. Super gash. Yeah, there's no fixing that one. I got to fix it. Very nice speckled look here. You could see. That is really, really nice. Y'all see that speckled look? Really great right there. And that one is I Love the Dead. I Love the Dead. Oh, yes. Very, very nice on I Love the Dead. I'm going to fix my other one real quick that I jacked up. Nobody judge me on my nail fix. My nail nick fix. I know, I messed up that nail pretty bad. I fixed it though. Sorta. There we go. Sorta fixed it. You can kind of see it. Next up we have is going to be, let me move these up here so it's easier to grab. Next up we have is going to be Go to Hell. For criminal acts and violence on stage, for all the decent citizens you've enraged, you can go to hell. Go to Hell is a pure flaky extravaganza filled with copper micro flakies as well as pink to green to red to orange color shifting flakes. It's a very beautiful autumn color. It's super sparkly and it looks like it's glitter filled, but it's actually all flakies, which makes it easier to remove and more environmental friendly too. And this one is Go to Hell. Go to hell. Go over here. It's a very nice, beautiful copper look. Almost like a copper penny. But the flakies, the other flakies in here give it that nice pinky twist to it. So that is our first coat in. Y'all see that pinky vibe that you see from those other flakies? Really cool. We're going to put it over black. Ooh, look at that. Definitely get to see all that extra-ness going on here. Get those pinky vibes. You see that pinky vibe going on there in those flakies? That's where y'all get that rose gold touch. That rose gold kiss. Go over here. Gonna go into second coat. That's a hell of a pretty color. It really is. Look at that. Really gorgeous color right there. Really nice. Really, really pretty. And it's not really pink. It's copper. It just has some little pink notes to it. So it's definitely more of a copper color. But it's got pinky notes. For sure got pinky notes. But it's not super heavy on the pink. Oh, that was what? Why did you ask me that, Dee? Why did you ask me that, and why? Why on earth did I touch it? Why did you ask me if it was textured, and why did I touch it after you asked me that? I don't know. As soon as she said, "Is it textured?" I go and touch it. I go touch wet polish and tell you if it's textured. No, it's actually more that flakies. It's not really textured. Once you put a top coat on, it's gonna be smooth. But it's not like super textured. I totally reacted to the question. I totally was like, oh yeah, let me touch it. Yeah, yeah. That's 3 coats in. But no, it's definitely all flaky, so they lay down really well, other than the little ding that I did to it. And like I said, it doesn't have a texture too much, as in like not a glitter texture. It has a little bit of a it has a little bit of, you'll need the smoothness of your top coat, but not much. Your brain was like, touch it and let her know. It totally was. That's exactly what my brain was doing. Next up we have is going to be Feed My Frankenstein. Oh yes, Feed My Frankenstein. Feed my Frankenstein, meet my libido. He's a psycho, feed my Frankenstein. Hungry for love, and it's feeding time. Feed My Frankenstein is a grungy green to lime to gold multichrome with blue at the edges, and it has a strong metallic foil finish. Oh yes. And that's Feed My Frankenstein. Wasn't that a song? Feed My Frankenstein? This is a Halloween collection that finally made its way to the States. It finally made its way to the States. Because if you did not know, Prism Polish is based out of the UK. Alexa, play Feed My Frankenstein. Alexa, turn up. Ooh, look at that. Super pretty. Alexa, turn up. Alexa, turn down. She got a little loud there. Ooh, look at this. Definitely gorgeous. Look here. I'm so sorry. I'm going to end up changing her name. Apparently, you can use different names for her. I might use Echo. Because most people don't use Echo. And we're going to go into the second coat here. My Alexa listens to you more than me. That's so funny. Mine barely listens to me. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. I don't know. I don't know if they will let me. I gotta see if they'll what names that I can use for my Amazon. I have to see. And that one is Feed My Frankenstein. Feed My Frankenstein. Ooh, look at that. That is super fun. I wish I could name her Shia. I totally would name her Shia. I'd be like, Shia! Shia! Shia, tell me a joke. Last up we have is Black Widow. Black Widow. The horror that he brings, the horror of his sting, the unholiest of kings, the Black Widow. Black Widow is a black and jelly base filled with original unicorn pigment. It's a shifty, sparkling pigment that shifts from red to green to gold. It's so shifty, you can you believe that all the pictures on the site are all the same polish? Oh, yes, indeedy. Try Black Willow layered over black cream to save the precious unicorn pea. And this one is Black Widow. We'll be doing a giveaway in a little bit as well, as soon as I mat these up. Ooh, wait till y'all see this. Oh, yes. Look at that. Beautiful unicorn pea. This one is jam freaking packed. Let me show y'all over black. Oh, yes. Look at that. Beautiful. Look how much. Can we talk about how much pigment we're getting? Hold on. I want to really show you guys how much pigment is in here. This is nice. We're going to go and build it up again. I want all 5 on your left hand. I know, right? You mean my right hand. This is my right hand. I'm painting my right hand right now. You mean my right hand? Ooh, look at that. I figured I was like, hold on. I said, I think she's getting mine confused. Here we go. Ooh, 2 coats in. Building up very nicely for Black Widow. Black Widow, baby. We're going to go with our last and final coat here. look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. And it's done so well. Look at all that shimmer. Absolutely gorgeous. And that one is Black Widow. Black Widow. Black Widow. And that's Black Widow. That's an OGUP. That one is from Prism. Yay! Well, we showed off all our Prism polishes. We are going to top coat everybody with a Fast and Hard Dreamy Legend. Going to put that on. You guys probably won't see me for the rest of the week. I might do one little video. Just one teeny tiny video beforehand, but that's it. And then I will, I'm not going to be doing too many more videos. After that, I will be doing polish pickup on the, I'm going to try for Black Friday. If I can't do it Black Friday, I'll do it Saturday. Start. I'm really going to try for Black Friday. Because I think that would be, at least give y'all an extra day to see everything. Top coating everybody. And we're going to be giving $10 to one lucky winner in this video. Oh yes. Thank you guys. Well, I just gotta collect all the information, and and hopefully I'll be fine. I'll feel okay to do everything. So we're gonna show off all the polishes one more time. First up was, let me go back and pull up the other set. Hold on real quick. This one is Fill the Glass. Fill the Glass. Ooh, this is a gorgeous holo. That one's Fill the Glass. All these will be available at color4nails.com. They're available now. Use the code C4NBF2019 to save 25% off site-wide. Next up we have is Here's to You. Here's to You. Next up we have is Here's to Us. Next up we're going to have is our Welcome to My Nightmare set show. And first one is Welcome to My Nightmare. Welcome to my nightmare. It's a thermal. We'll be showing it thermaling up in a little bit. Next up we have Spark in the Dark. Spark in the Dark is also a topper. Has a little bit of a pink sheen. This is 3 coats in, so you guys can see what it looks like. Next up we have is going to be I'll Bite Your Face Off. I'll bite your face off. I got a little bubble in here. It's in that same spot that I made a nick earlier. Next up we have is going to be I Love the Dead. I Love the Dead. Next up is Go to Hell. Go to Hell. Next up is Feed My Frankenstein. Feed My Frankenstein. How shiny that looks. Next up we have is, and I totally nicked this. Next up is Black Widow. Really, really gorgeous right there. Black Widow. Oh, yes. These are absolutely gorgeous. We're going to go and matte these up. We're going to be using, we'll use a tonic liquid velvet real quick. I know, it's a huge boulder. It's almost 2 centimeters, guys. 2 centimeters. Can't do the little sound waves, ultra laser wave. I have to go get it completely taken out. Gonna mat these up. Mat these up, mat up, everybody mat up, everybody mat up. Thank you guys. Thank you for being so kind. And again, you can pick all of these up at color4nails.com right now. Pick up some polish. Oops, so sorry. Everything's 25% off site-wide with the code C4NBF2019. While we're waiting for those to dry, we'll show these thermaling up. We'll show that one thermaling up. And then we'll let's see, we'll go, ooh, look at this. Do y'all see that change already happening? That's the only thermal I have. So we're going to thermal this up. You can see it thermaling up right there. See it right there? Ooh. This one's welcome to my nightmare. There we go. Look at that. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. I want a speedy recovery so I can get back into videos and back to feeling better. I've been feeling like this for like almost a couple months now. They couldn't figure out what it was. They finally figured out it wasn't GI. They figured out that it wasn't gastrointestinal like they first thought. It was actually a kidney stone causing all the trouble. Darn kidney stone. So we matted all these up. First one up was fill the glass. Fill the glass. I might have to stay overnight, but only one day. Next up is Here's to You. They actually figured it out by looking over the CT scans, and they saw that it was moving around. Next up is Here's to Us. Here's to Us. These are all matte. Next up is Welcome to My Nightmare. Next up is Spark in the Dark. Ouch. Will the procedure be PNCL? Is that the percutaneous? Percutaneous? If so, yes. They have to actually go puncture my kidney. I have to go puncture my kidney and do it. Next up is I'll Bite Your Face Off. Yeah, they can't take it out any other way. Next up is I Love the Dead. I Love the Dead. Oh, this is so pretty matte. Look how pretty that is matte. Oh my goodness. Pick up this color, guys. Y'all are going to be so happy with it. Next up is Go to Hell. Go to Hell. Next we have is going to be Feed My Frankenstein. And then lastly we have is Black Widow. All those are absolutely gorgeous. I will say this right here. I like Bite Your Face Off more glossy. I'm going to show y'all back to glossy. Look how much more depth we get when it's glossy. Ah, I love that. Look at that. That is so amazing. And then we're going to do that too here. bring it back to life. Look at that. Eee, I love that. And then we'll do Black Widow again, so you guys can see Black Widow again. There you go. Ooh, look at that. I was painting backwards, but I wanted you guys to see it. Super awesome. Super gorgeous colors here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We are going to give a... Can you see in the green shimmer? Yeah, you can see the green shimmer. Look, right there. In different lights you can. At least you don't have to have open surgery or nephrectomy to treat it. No, but it was super close because it's almost, like I said, it's about almost 2 centimeters. Tammy, it was, I'm not looking for it. I'm still gonna have to, it's still like a major surgery. It's still percutaneous nephrectomy. So they still have to go in there. It's still percutaneous and they still have to go do it. So he might have to go a little bit more. He doesn't know until he gets in there. I hope not. But I don't have the best of kidneys. I got tumors in my kidneys too. So they're not the greatest of kidneys. They ain't worth much. So guys, this is our bottles of Prism Polish. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We are going to do a giveaway real quick. So while I am doing this, let's do a giveaway. What are your 3 favorite colors tonight? What are your 3 favorite colors from Prism tonight? Let's see this. I'm going to pop this off. What are your 3 favorite colors from Prism tonight? Look at this. This one's our glow-in-the-dark one. Look at that. Ooh. If you need help with the the titles, it's in the description. Look at that. Oh, that is such a beautiful glow. Look at that glow. That is a gorgeous glow right there. Okay, we're going to show it on their nail. There is the glow on the nail. Ooh, I like that. That is super fun. Get all my emoticons. There we go. Yay. If I had to pick my favorites, I gotta go with Fill the Glass. I Love the Dead. And I think I have to go with, ooh, this is hard. That one. That one is I'll Bite Your Face Off. So I'm going to do this one differently because that's so many. We're going to go by words. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 words. Well, we're looking for winner number 12. So let me see who number 12 is. Let's see who number 12 is. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carmen Fonseca, you are my winner, chicken dinner. You just won $10 to spend at Color4Nails. Congratulations. I kind of switched that up on y'all a little bit, huh? Congratulations. Congrats. Make sure that you message me on Facebook or swatchthebox@gmail.com. And make sure that you send me your PayPal address, and I'll send that over to you guys, okay? Congratulations. Yay. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun showing off these polishes. Thank you guys yet again for watching another video. It was a pleasure yet again showing off these polishes for Color4Nails. Again, this was a press sample sent over from Color4Nails and Prism Polish for you guys to check out. Make sure that you check out the Black Friday sale going on right now. They're doing a pre-sale, so you guys can pick up right now. Use the code C4NBF2019 to save 25% off everything site-wide, except for the final sales items. So keep that in mind. Thank you guys so much. I love y'all. I hope y'all have an amazing rest of y'all's night. Thank you to Sissy over at Color4Nails for sending these over to me. I hope you guys have an amazing time. I will see you guys sometime this week with one teeny tiny video, and then the rest will be polish pickup. I have to get ready for polish pickup and Thanksgiving. If I don't see you, well, I will see you guys before Thanksgiving. So this is not goodbye. I'll see y'all right beforehand. Okay. Thank you guys. I love y'all. I will see y'all later, probably Monday or Tuesday, and then I'll do one video, and then I will see you guys hopefully on Black Friday with polish pickup videos starting. I'm hoping I can get all that going on Black Friday. I'm going to be working my butt off to try to do that. If not, it will be Saturday for sure. I love you guys. Thank y'all so much. Y'all have an amazing rest of your day or night. I love y'all. Mwah. Catch you on the flip side.